NIA declared the Bulo Small Reservoir irrigation project completed in 2022, yet fails inspections in 2023 after Typhoon Karding. And even recently, this 2025 still show cracks, holes, and uncontrolled water loss along the canals. So what standard did NIA use to certify completion? How was the project accepted despite all these defects, Mr. President?
Thank you, Mr. President. As to the standards used to be able to accept a completed project,
Of course, may inspect yan, sir.
of course, there will be an inspection,
Titignan yung specifications kung nasa.
and they would check whether or not the specifications have been met.
And of course, may acceptance na dapat ng farmers, ang engines.
And there has to be an acceptance written, no, by the beneficiaries, the farmers. And all these were complied with. Correct? Meron pang iba? But as I understand, what is relayed to us is that after the acceptance, tumama nga yung bagyo. And because of it was because of the Typhoon Karding. So overall project was completed last CY 2022. However, due to recent typhoons, some portions of the canal were damaged. And to address the issue, those damages were rectified by the contractor.
Rectified. Galing lang po doon last month yung aking staff at nakausap nga yung mga farmers. And wala pong rectification na nangyari, if you will. Ganun pa rin po. Yung itsura ng irrigation, marami pong mga butas-butas pa rin na pinagtutuluan ng tubig.
Oh, sige.
At ng follow-up questions also, nabanggit kanina, Mr. President, Mr. Sponsor, na upon completion, pinagpipirma doon sa isang dokumento, if tama yung pagkakaintindi ko, na sinicertify ng mga farmers na okay yung gawa ng project. Sino-sino po yung mga farmers na pinapipirma o pinapirma ng NIA para mag-attest na satisfied sila doon sa proyektong yon ng NIA? Can I see those documents signed by those farmers mentioned, Mr. President?
The acceptance, Mr. President?
Yes.
Yes.
Do we have? And who are those farmers?
Is the file available?
And when did they sign?
Yes.
Furnish the good senate. Pwede natin.
We will furnish the good senator from
Isabela.
Palawan, no? Isabela. The document showing that there was an acceptance by the beneficiaries.
Okay, thank you, Mr. President. So,
IA.
Yes,
So
the
bakit-
Irrigators Association.
irrigators.
Mr.
So, why is it, Mr. President, konting typhoon lang, nasisira na agad yung proyekto? Bakit? Anong klaseng materials ang ginamit dyan? Substandard ba? O super mega substandard materials? Kasi kunting hangin lang, kunting bagyo lang, signal number 1 lang, number 2, giba na agad. Dapat anong klaseng specification standard ng ginagamit ng NIA, ng contractor, para ma-ensure na kahit na signal number 3 yan, hindi madadamage yung project? Bakit pag signal number 2 lang, damage na agad? So ganun ba lahat ng mga proyekto, irrigations ng NIA? Konting bagyo lang, nagigiba na agad lahat ng proyekto nila?
Yes, we are checking, Mr. President, because according to the NIA, Typhoon Karding was a strong typhoon.
How strong was it, Mr. President?
175 kilometer winds, Mr. President.
Which is
Ano siya?
signal number 20? Ano ba yun?
Signal number 4,
Okay.
Mr. President. And therefore, dahil dun sa Typhoon Karding, nagkaroon nga ng damage. If I may add, Mr. President, there was an issue that there were no contractor details on a number of projects. The following, they say, are the pertinent documents relative to the contractor details awarded in NIA Central Office, as such as the notice of award, contract agreement, and notice to proceed. So meron naman daw.
Okay. Ito yung problema na nakikita ko, Mr. Sponsor, Mr. President. Alam naman ng NIA na lahat ng mga probinsya na pinaglalagyan nila ng irrigation project nila, dinadaanan po ng typhoon. Isn't it about time na dapat they have to set a standard na kahit signal number 4 pa yan, signal number 5, wag naman sana, it can withstand that kind of extreme weather condition. Kasi sa ngayon, every single time na magkaroon ng bagyo, lahat ng proyekto ng NIA sa irrigation, nagigiba. Why? Hindi ba na-anticipate nila yan? Na ang Pilipinas ay talagang pasukan ng bagyo? All year round, binabagyo tayo. And all year round, nasisira itong mga irrigation projects. Why? You should have anticipated that. Sana gumawa kayo ng mga proyekto na it can withstand up to signal number 4. Period. Bakit signal number 3, 4, giba? Meron pa nga dyan, signal number 2 lang, nagigiba eh. And mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo, signal number 2 lang, na bagyo, nagiba na agad yung irrigation project na yun. Ibig sabihin, super, mega, substandard yung ginamit na materyales.